Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone battery drops suddenly after iOS 17 after update. So how to fix iPhone battery drops suddenly on any time. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix the first solution? You have uh, turn off auto brightness when you are facing this issue. So you have turn off auto brightness from your home screen. Look up for setting and then you open your setting app from your iPhone. Subsequently, after you have opened the setting, you scroll down. You have will see the accessibility on your iPhone section. Click on it, which is display and text size. Then you have scroll up. Then lastly, while on the display and text size page, and then toggle of the last option is auto brightness. This will help your iPhone uh, optimize brightness more efficiently. So you have turned off while you have facing the iPhone battery drops suddenly. Then second solution, you have close the background app. Look for your setting icon on your iPhone home screen and then click it next again. So then you have click on general. So then you have option from your main setting page. After you have opened general, select the option background app refresh. So then you have click on here, and then I have already turned off, then you must be turned off. Then third solution, you have lower your screen brightness. You will see the control center on your iPhone if you are using older version on your iPhone that has a home button. Sweep up from below the screen from your control center page, click on vertical brightness. So then you have a scroll up, then you have vertical, then you have shown your iPhone control center settings, your icon, and slide it down to lower the power. Then other solution, you have turn on location. And the reason why you get to see sudden drops in your battery life. So then you have open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on privacy, click on location service, turn off while you have facing this issue. Then last solution, you have turn on low power mode. So then you have again open the setting, click on battery, click on low power mode is turned on by. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel.